Hey guys, let us turn a bag into a vest. I used the square bodice block for the pattern drafting. When my pattern ended up being bigger than my actual fabric, I decided to freestyle. Okay, I'm going to use these for front straps and in the front with its lining, bottom part of the front, and then I have it back over here. Yeah. Let's talk about my accessories and my extras. So we got these hiker boots from Mr. Price. Also my rings. My rings are also from Mr. Price, and then we got like random chains. This one is from Mr. Price. And then we got like a bunch of jewelry on my ears. glasses from Mr. Price just to zhuzh up the look. Okay guys, I don't know if I should close this video with glasses on or glasses off, so let me see, because I want to look at you so we can see each other. Let's close up this video. I hope you enjoyed. This was a bag that I used to carry in college, and now it's a vest that I'm going to wear outside. So being crafty, being creative is my thing. And if you are someone who likes those kind of videos, please do make sure to subscribe. Stick around because we are still going to have more fun. Don't go. Please subscribe. Mwah. I love you and I will see you next time. Bye. Okay, I just realized that I forgot to tie this jacket for you guys. Okay, so this is the look with my hair all tied up and the vest all closed up. As I say, does give the same vibe but also slightly different. Can even wear like different glasses with this look like this, and I like that I put my chain outside. Maybe I can even like stack them up, you know. What do you think with these glasses? They are actually from Mr. Price as well, and they have a leopard print effect on them, so I think that matches with the brown. Now it's giving safari, especially with these hiker boots, you know what I mean. And then I grabbed this African necklace, also from Mr. Price. So let's just layer these and see how that looks. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you next time. Mwah, mwah, mwah. A second outro and this one with glasses. Love ya.